Yung worth ng kinain namin kanina is worth $27 lang yun sa amin ng 5. Kung sa Australia yon, isang meal lang yun. So, napakamura talaga ng food nila. Lalo doon sa kinainan namin. Ano kasi yun eh, yung parang kung sa atin, authentic talagang Indonesian food. Masarap yung ano nila, nasi goreng kaysa doon sa kinakainan. Masarap naman yung kinakainan namin paggabi doon sa sabay, basta yung unang gabi namin tsaka second night kung saan tayo kumain, masarap naman yung nasi goreng, pero iba pa rin yung kanina. Ang sarap yung sa kanina, talagang malasa siya. Si Holly, ayan, si Ivy na nagpupus, gusto niya ipus si Holly. Pabalik na kami sa hotel nila, magsiswimming ulit yung mga bata. Mag-ice cream pa pala muna. Hinihingal ako. Lakad-lakad lang kami dito ng lakad. Ayan, may kabayo para sa atin lang, oh.
No.
Dumikit yung dila niya sa ano, oh, sa popsicle. No, it's gonna rip the skin off him.
Take off.
It's nearly
Oh,
there.
a little bit, oh wait, more water.
Nearly there. That on bloody.
Oh my god. Hang on, bro. Pwede pala yan mga sabi? Wait,
Sorry, mate. Sorry. No, it's okay. It's okay.
No more ice cream, Eddie.
Ed, what's wrong with your ice cream? Nag-ice cream muna kayo. Naupo muna kayo dito sa tambayan na. Yeah, ma.
Max, he had ice cream and he went,
Yeah, so you have to be careful. So, never pa ako nakakita ng ganun. Pwede pala mangyari yun. Nakakatakot kasi pag tinanggal mo siya na walang tubig, madadala yung skin ng dila mo. So, kailangan pala buhusan ng tubig. Hindi ko yan alam. Never pa tayo nakakita ng ganun. Okay na siya. Ayun na siya. Masaya na siya, oh. Pag dry pala yung dila mo na kinain mo yun, didikit talaga yung popsicle sa dila mo. So, dapat marami kang saliva bago mo kainin yung ice cream na yun. Nakakatakot siya, ha? Kasi ang tagal talagang matanggal. Kailangan lang buhusan ng tubig. Nandito yung mga aking mga kaibigan. O si friends. So mag-ice cream muna, then swimming again later. Ayan si Sak. Sak, you want some ice cream? Where's Holly? Oh my God. Holly, where are you? Hi.
Look, Mom.
Come here. Honey, is Holly's gonna have an ice cream?
Maybe rainbow.
my tongue's getting stuck.
Maybe this one.
Hey,
I'm gonna hold this one for Steve.
Yeah, just good. Good. Honey, come si Holly, namimili siya ng ice cream.
Which one? This is strawberry marshmallow.
Do you want strawberry? Kuya, I get you one. I give this to Holly, okay? You want this?
Dad, look.
Wait. Honey, can you get... Wait. Do you want this one? Strawberry... Yes, say Oppo. Say Oppo. Oppo.
You want one?
Can you get her beef, please, son, over there? Beef, so I can give this to Holly. Holly! Namili na si Holly, oh. Is that what you want, Baba? That's not yours, honey, look.
What's this song?
I made it.
Classical.
Be careful. Back to
Yes.
Back
I've been waiting for you.
How are you? Good. Yan, nagkatlaya.
No, it's okay. Whiting. That's whiting. Three that one.
Okay, wait. Can I have another one
Yeah.
for Holly, please? Wait, Baba. Ano sa kanya? Strawberry, marshmallow. Okay, get one, Baba, there. Wait. You say salamat po. What you gonna say? What you gonna say? What you gonna say? Baba, what you gonna say? Thank you. Say thank you. Here. Hold this one. Hold this, Baba. Say salamat po. Say salamat po. Say it. Say sa Holly. Baba, say sa. La. Mat. Po. Ang sarap ng buhay ng baby na to. Oh. Pa-ice cream lang siya. Tapos paano pa siya ng kanina ng kamay niya. Oh. Ayan, ganyan lang, oh. Tingnan niyo yung paa niya.
Yes, go.
No, stay. Opo.
And then I hike a little bit to the right so they get less.
Andun yung mga boys, nagpapaputok. Low tide na naman, oh. Hindi na siya masyadong maalon. You alright? So, relax lang ang baby namin. Pasayaw-sayaw pa siya kanina. Ayan. Yung mga kuya niya, nandun, oh. Zach! Baba! What's the baba? Pop-pop. Ayan, nagpapaputok sila, oh. Andun si kuya sa ayan si kuya. Yung dagat hindi na maalong. Kaninang umaga, ang lakas ng alon. Ngayon, okay na siya, oh.
Hello, darling.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, thank you.
You feel massage later, shoulder?
No, I don't. No more. Oh, paubos niya na, oh. Ubos na ni Holly yung kanyang popsicle. How is it, Baba? Is it good? Oh, that's enough. Ta for mommy now. Okay, ta to mama. Okay, say thank you. Wipe your face. Wipe your face, Baba. Good girl. Okay, remove this now. Oh, what's that? Okay. Good girl. Oh, ayan, di ba? Hindi siya madumi. Best friend ko rin to, eh. Di ba hindi siya madumi? Kaya maganda to laging dala-dala lagi. Kasi kung kakain siya, hindi siya madudumi na. Hindi madudumi ang damit niya. Philippine Airlines. Ano si Holly? Ginugulo niya si daddy niya. Ayan si Sa. Kuya! Are you done? Ano sila, oh? Paglaro sila dun sa magkapatid, oh. Kay Addison and nakalimutan yung pangalan ng isa. No, baby! You don't? No? Baba! No throwing sand, Baba, no. You're gonna hurt your eyes and others. Stay here. Bisak umuihi doon, no? Hindi ko alam kung makikita nyo. Ayan, no? Takbo na siya. Umihi siya doon sa may dagat, oh. Zach, what did you do?
I don't know why you want this people.
Parang local na dito si Zach, oh. Andun na siya sa friend niya. No, I'm not. No, thank you. I just had yesterday.
Today, not yet.
No. Magpapamassage ulit si Jan. Halos araw-araw. Hi guys daw. Halos araw-araw. Hi guys daw. What's that, Eddie? Ah, dry ice. Yes, baby, you don't. Tingnan nyo si Jan, oh. May pedicure and massage. Ganda ng buhay niya, oh. I know. Si Ivy, nagpapa-braid. Ayan. Magpapaganyan din si Holly. Where you come from? Philippines. Hi, say hi. Hi guys. Say hi do.
The back over here, white.
What's that, buddy?
Ano pa pala? Pati pala kamay niya. Ha? Yeah, it is clear. Yeah.
Say, mate, walk along. Wait.
I don't need a... Thank you.
Maybe your head, Dan.
Sabi niya, remember daw ang name niya.
Yes, remember Casey. Remember Brian.
Sa kanya ko magpapa-braid tsaka si Holly, pero not now. Mosh, you like Holly? Laging hinahag ni Ma si Holly. Hi, Sophie!
Do you know what?
Oh, anak. Chill, Dodo. Sit on Kuya's lap, Baba. Gusto ni Kuya umupo sa lap ni si Holly.
Oh, I think she said wait.
Sam, yeah.
She said wait. Huh?
It's alright. She's alright.
Sam. Anda wala kuwan.
Holly, what are you doing there?
It's okay.
Baba!
Baba.
Busy siya, oh. Busy siya maglaro ng mga kids. Don't touch that, Papa.
Good? Oh. He does drink. One drink. No, not this one, Bobby. Yeah, I know. Drink Coke, and then the one. Maybe because it's like whiskey. Have you got a water bag? Water?
Yeah. Wait.
For Holly.
Ah,
Do you want one? I'll get one.
okay.
Not this one, Baba.
Pinagtatawa nila si Jan kasi si Jan 3 days na kami. Hindi kasi umiinom ang asawa ko. So ayan, ngayon pinainom siya. Sabi nung tindero, everyday ininom lang daw dito ni Jan. Coke, tubig. Tapos ngayon, ayan, pinainom siya nung bagong dating nilang kaibigan. But you're happy,
You're not allowed to have this one, Baba.
Black siya. What? But why you don't like to drink? Kasi hindi siya umiinom. Yun lang. Nagsisigarilyo siya pero hindi
We
siya
have one row.
umiinom. Ayaw niya. So napasubo siya ngayon. Pero isa lang, siguro, yan lang iinumin niya dito.
You
Isa
can't
lang.
have this one, Baba.
No, Baba, you cannot have that one. Hello?
50? 50? No, it was for what?
For this and this.
100.
100. I did.
Can I try back? Thank you. Thanks, guys.
Well, I didn't know she had 50 and then I thought it was hands as well. Then at the end it was 100.
Yeah, I'm all done.
So I got rid.
Now you all done.
Yakbe. I like Jimbin better.
Yeah. You should be all
Matamis siya
fresh,
na,
though.
ewan. You cannot have that, Baba.
Got dark.
Oh, halik, Mom. Love you.
Yeah, what was the
Say,
best
love you.
price? What are we running?
I love you.
Right, Pat?
Say, love you. Yeah. Isa pa. Isa pa. Mucho. Are you gonna have another one?
Oh, well, that one didn't even touch the size.
You're mayabang
Well,
sometimes.
it didn't though. It went down pretty dry.
Tapos niya, inano niya na. Kasi binibiro siya na kanina pa kasi konti lang yung iniinom niya. Another one.
Is that the way?
Another
This
one.
one go down slightly. First one's always long thing, got
Do they have kosher vodka?
yeah, vodka ice.
Yeah, do they have it? Can I have one?
You got vodka ice. You got vodka ice, have you? Vodka ice.
Vodka ice.
Lemon.
What?
Lemon's minute.
Lemon sure enough.
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, we've got to walk home. You've got kids.
It's just
I
one.
won't go look after this one, though.
I'm not gonna be drunk. Inom tayo ng isa. Nung ano. 5% lang naman yan, di ba? 5%. That one, 5% alcohol. Thank you. Ayan. Smirnoff Ice. 5% lang naman ang alcohol dito eh.
How much one packet?
40.
30.
Yeah, for
Nah,
normal price, no bullshit price.
I've still got the other one over there. So I'm right. We're right. We're
Masarap
right.
siya. Lime. Ang flavor niya.
Finish this one.
No, it's still the one I bought today. Still has.
Yung mga bata nagsiswimming kasama yung mga kaibigan nila tsaka yung asawa ng kaibigan namin. Si Oli, ayan. Baba? What are you doing? Busy siya. Cheers. Magpapakawala na naman sila ng mga pagong. Ayun o. Ayan, mataon na o. Kuha naman siya, yung mga kuya niya nagsiswimming, siya lang naglalaro mag-isa. Yung mga kalaro niya nagsiswimming eh.
Dance, Baba. Dance. Don't put your hands in your mouth.
Dance, baby! Nahiya na siya. Kanina sumasayaw siya. Ayan, dance, Baba. No hands in your mouth, no. Yucky. Maghanap kami ng corn ni Holly. No running, Baba. Baba, yung inasal na mais. Oh, there's motorbike, Baba. Motorbike. Hold mommy's hand. Motorbike. There's motorbike. Ay, okay, dog. Okay. Ayan yung nagtitinda mais yung binilhan namin ni Sak nung first day namin dito. Ayan si Lola. Yeah, oh, we're gonna buy corn, Baba. Oh, stay here. Hi. Oh, are you alright? Nadapa siya. Here. Oh. Here, upo here. How much? 15,000. Thank you. Masarap tong corn, guys.
Hello, braiding you the hair.
I put butter also for that one. Butter and spicy.
Oh, what this one?
Oh, yeah, butter and spicy, please. Thank you. May dala siyang nilagang mani, oh. So, ito na yung corn natin, tsaka mais. Ay, corn, tsaka mais. Peanut. Ayan, mayroon din si Holly, oh. Bilis, ayaw niya magpahawak ng kamay. But, come on, find Daddy. Come on. Masayaw siya kanina, nahiya na naman siya. Kainin ko muna to. Ito yung mais, guys. Sarap. Yung inumin ko, hindi ko pa ubos.
Bloody knock that.
Wow. Oh. Binigyan ko kasi yung kaibigan namin ng isa. Nasarapan yung anak niya. Kumakain siya ng peanut. Yung nilagang peanut. Yung boys, naliligo pa sila. Want mo, Baba? Maanghang to, guys. Na manamis-namis. Na may butter. Hinay ko lang yung mga bata. Andito sila. Kuya, be careful. Be careful, no pushing. Ay, si Sak. Pag nakita to ni Sak, tingnan nyo. Aahon yan. Tingnan nyo. Yes, Sak? Sabi ko na sa inyo eh. How is it, Sak? Good. You wanna try? Come on. Gusto nyo i-try ni Mac? Ayaw niya na ito. Si Kuya ayaw niya. Kami na nagbabantay kay Holly. Ayun siya, nasa baba siya. Baba! What are you doing here? Holly! Say hi! Ang dami ng tao, guys. Oh. Diyan. Give her a hug! Si Jan umiinom. Napasubo si Jan. Yes, Kuya. Don't throw. Oh, it doesn't hurt. Come and get me. Come and get me, Papa. Dumadaming kaibigan ni Holly, oh. Mga anak siya ng mga kaibigan namin. Yun ang asawa ko. Are you drunk?
DJ, not on the surfboard.
How many bottles?
4.
4? Nakaapat na raw siya. Ayan si Holly. Hi! No ice cream. No more ice cream. Where's the chips? There?
Dirty, look,
Dirty. Other one.
look, dirty. One here.
Wipe daddy's.
190,000. Yes. 200,000.
200,000. We have to pay 200,000. Nakaapat siya nito.
What's that?
Ayan, tapos na mag-inuman. Maglalakad na kami papunta. You're ready? Dinner na kami doon sa dati kung saan kayo kumain kanina na lunch. Doon ulit kayo kakain kasi masarap yung pagkain nila tsaka murang-mura siya doon. Ayan na si Holly, naka-buckle up na siya. Baba! Say hi! What? We're going to have tea. September. Showing to ya. Oh, you're not bad. Iiwan muna namin yung wet bag nila, ano. Whatever, hon. Ilagay muna namin yung sa kwarto ng kaibigan namin. Dinner ulit. Kain lang kami ng kain dito. Come on, Sa. Are you enjoying Bali, Baba? No? Oh, hindi raw nag-enjoy si Sak. Are you sure we're going home? We're going home? I don't know. Are you enjoying Bali?
Yes, I'm joking.
You're just joking. Joke lang daw siya. Mamaya na lang ulit, guys. Ang dami pang tao dito. Careful, Sak! Bali Gate. Tawag ko dito, Bali Gate. Kasi ganyan lagi ang pa-entrance nila, oh. Mango. Just mango, Han. Ayan yung mga bata. Dito yung mga kids. Sa table na to. And then dito yung mga adults. Except si Holly, sa akin siya nakaupo. Yeah, papa. Lasing. Ito yung appetizer ko. Calamari. With tartar sauce and chips and salad. He's eating the same carbonara. It's hot? 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 Mainit. You wait first. Wait for you. Yan siya. Ito yung dinner ko. Nasi goreng seafood with calamari extra and mango shake. Order ulit si Jan na pizza kasi hindi sa kanya kasi yung hamburger. Oh, Zach? You're full? Huh? You're having the whole pizza. How is it? Good. Si Kuya, what pizza is this, Kuya? Ham and cheese with no pineapple. Ay, sorry, Baba.
That's right.
Ayan. Is it good? Can I try? Okay. It's yummy. Zach, are you done? Tapos na si Jan. Ay, tapos na si Zach. Check natin si Kuya. Ano, Kuya? Wow! One more left. Is it really, really good, Kuya? Huh?
Put some chili on there.
Did you put chili?
Huh? Put it. I put mine on mine. On mine.
What's your name?
Carbonara?
No, Matt gave me pizza and I put some.
Ah, you love it? Si Kuya mahilig siya sa spicy.
Do you remember my name? Huh? Kobe. Or maybe not best friends.
Spread it, Kuya.
Cousins?
Huh?
Ah, no? That's two.
Not best friends.
You haven't? No, not yet. It's still here.
Ah, so you have friends.
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, yes.
Your son?
Huh? My son and that one and my little girl.
Oh, you have two sons.
Three, yeah, two sons, one little girl.
Same size. How old?
Turning 7, 5, and then turning 2.
Like nearly my birthday.
Yes.
Kobe's 11.
Yeah. Show me how you eat that spicy.
Huh? No, thank you.
Nice.
Nahiya siya.
Yeah, that's it.
Zachary. What is it, Kuya? You like it?
Chona.
Yeah? You like it? Ayan na, kaya kaya niya na yung spicy niya.
That's you.
Pero lagi siyang umiinom. Masasanay ito sa maanghang. Very good, Kuya.
Good boy, mate. You've done a good job. Didn't he?
Madaming tao dito sa restaurant. Simple lang siya. Ayan, oh. Pero matao. At saka mura siya. Zach! Ha? Si little girl, happy na siya, oh. Are you happy here na, Holly? Ha? Kanina umiyak siya dun sa kanyang high chair. Be careful, you might hit your head. You're done? So, ganito na ang itsura niya, guys, pag gabi. Wala nang katao-tao. Tsaka yung mga nagtitinda, nagsiuwian na rin. So, wala na dyan. Wala na yung mga upuan. Dito medyo maliwanag pa. Pero doon sa dulo, ang dilim. No, Kuya. Doon sa dulo kung saan kayo dadaan, ang dilim doon, mamaya. Dito maliwanag pa kasi yan, may hotel. Tapos ito yung mga nagtitinda kanina. Wala na sila, oh. See ya! Ayan, guys. Ito yung poste na may ilaw. Yung sa unahan, ayan, kadiliman na, guys. Papunta dun sa hotel namin. Come on, what are you doing? Come on.
Mom, what about my
Ayan ah.
Down.
Si Holly gustong tumayo sa pram. Ayan guys. Kadiliman. Holly. Ayan. Si Holly gusto niyang maglakad. So, yun na yung may ilaw. Dito wala na. Papunta sa hotel namin. So, yun guys. Good night. Say good night na, Baba. Good night, guys. See you.
Look at that.
See you.
This is so
Yeah, see you.
See you later.
Tomorrow.
Look at that.
Look at that. Hindi nyo na nakikita sa. See you tomorrow, guys. Good night. Ito yung Bali Garden na harap sa dagat. May wedding sila.
Boy.
May wedding sila, oh. Wedding. Ayan, oh. Kaya pala sabi ko, very bright. May ice cream, guys, so.